Okay, I gotta remove a hydraulic line on my backhoe that I blew. But as you can see, that line is wedged right in there next to everything else. And there's some sockets, it's 1 1/16, and there's some sockets you can order, but all of it's a day or two away. So I'm gonna try to make something to see if we can get that thing off. Alright, so I got a 1 1/16 inch socket, and I've marked it up here, and I'm going to cut this thing with an angle grinder to see if we can make it accessible. And I'm going to try to leave the corners on, so I got a bite on 6 spots. Alright, so I did have to put it on a grinding wheel and carve around the edges to get it opened up and smaller, because the space in between the bolts is really small. But I'm going to pound it in. I'm going to have to hammer it on a little bit, and we'll give this thing a shot. Alright, so it goes over. That's right there. Yeah. Is that enough? Yes. Yay. And that is our homemade hydraulic tool. Enough to get the job done once.